how to put random textures to this agent from Mixamo FBX. Open inspection and data tree and open material style sheets. New style sheet, create one, open the style sheet, right click, add the style. Let's name this man. Click on man, right click, add target, and also add condition to agent shape, and click on man and add override. Set this to material and go to material tab and create principal shader, texture, enable use texture, and select your texture here. This is material body, select this material body and close, and it doesn't refresh, so go labs, reset viewport, and you can see the texture. Now you only want to apply shader texture to the body. If you select agent unpack, under shapes, scroll down, you'll find shapes of agent. Select the shape, this is the name, copy this string, right click, delete this condition, click on the target and add sub target, and here add condition set to agent shape. Copy and paste this value and refresh again, and if you look at the agent texture being applied to the body, I'll also select shorts, sneakers, and eyelashes. Select all these, copy and paste here, refresh. Now as for the hair, add the style, rename to man hair, add target and add sub target, and its condition is agent shape, and find the hair shape. Copy and paste this value to condition and add override, set material, and select the hair material, which I didn't have. Okay, now I created the material hair, select it and refresh. For the clothing, I created the attribute from 0, 1, 2. Also created different color of cloth. Let's create another style, name this man cloth A, add target, and here add another target, and condition is agent shape, and agent shape should be the agent shirt. Copy the name and paste it here and refresh. I forgot to set override material to the hair and refresh. Oh, not the hair, cloth A, and refresh. Now click on the target, not the sub target but target, and add condition, this time to point group, and type in the name of the attribute. In my case, cloth color equals 0, and let's see what happens. The texture is applied only to the point that has the value of 0 in this attribute. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, change the name to cloth B, and the condition to be the value of 1, and the material is cloth B, and reset the viewport. Yeah, I changed the color a little bit more different, and repeat this process. Ctrl C, Ctrl V, change the name to cloth C, and change the condition to 2, and make sure you don't have any space in the expression, otherwise it's not gonna work. And select the cloth C and reset the viewport. The color looks too similar, but we can see it's working. And lastly, let's just do one more. Add the style, change the name to monster, add target, add the condition, set to agent shape, and this time this agent, the shape name is default mutant mesh. Paste the value here, override material, and select the material and reset the viewport. It changed everything because I forgot to add the sub target. Delete the condition and make the condition here agent shape to be the name and reset the viewport. You can also isolate one style in the spreadsheet. And this is all. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or advice, let me know in the comment. I will see you guys soon.